Let's make a classic American pumpkin pie with a buttery crust and a smooth, perfectly spiced pumpkin filling. Start with your pie crust. Combine flour, sugar, and salt, then work in cold butter until the mixture becomes crumbly. Add cold water little by little and bring the dough together. Roll out the dough and gently fit it into your pie dish. Trim the edges and create a beautiful decorative crust. For the filling, whisk together pumpkin puree, eggs, evaporated milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt until smooth and creamy. Pour the creamy pumpkin filling into the crust and smooth the surface. Bake until the filling is set around the edges with just a slight jiggle in the center. Let it cool completely before slicing. Serve your pumpkin pie with a generous dollop of whipped cream and a little cinnamon. Creamy, warmly spiced, and delicious, this classic American pumpkin pie is perfect for Thanksgiving, holidays, or any cozy family gathering.